Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add a new user on an HP laptop for Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, right click on your start menu. And then here we are going to find settings. So just click on it. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead over to the left panel. And then we are going to click on accounts. Okay, so click on accounts. And then once that's done, you gotta want to scroll down and find other users. Okay, so just click on it. Now go ahead and click on add user. As it states here, add other users. So just click on add account, and then this one will pop up. Now it says here you need to sign in. If the other person or the other user got a Microsoft account, well, you can just go ahead and write down their email and password in here. But if you don't have the credentials, or if you just want to add in a local account, all you got to do is just click on this option. I don't have this person's sign-in information. So go ahead and click on it. Wait a bit. Okay. Now go ahead and click on add user without a Microsoft account. So just click on it. Now give it a name. For example, other user. If you want to add in some passwords, just go ahead and do so. If not, just click on next. And as you can see here, we now have the other user local account. And now you can go ahead and try to switch users. Okay, so just click on the start menu, and then in here, click on the user icon, and then just go ahead and click on the three dots. And now you can go ahead and click on other user or even guest. Okay, so just click on it to log in, sign in right here, and there you have it. That's how simple it is to add a new user on an HP laptop, especially for Windows 11. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.